BCH crypto cost might arrive at a possible high of around $162.48 toward the finish of 2023. Bitcoin money cost, with a potential flood, might reach up to $1,162.77 toward the finish of 2030, when each financial backer became curious about the very first digital currency. Relatively few understood its inadequacies. After 2009, Bitcoin organization was the most hummed word with gigantic hunt volumes on the web. In any case, what pulled it back? Without a doubt, the other digital forms of money on the rundown that ensured to defeat Bitcoin's misfortunes. Moreover, it has lower exchanging charges than Bitcoin. The forked cryptographic money is ideal to spend, exchange, and trade instead of hold. With POW approach mining and expanded exchanges, what might be the eventual fate of this cash? Participate as we disentangle the conceivable BCH cost expectation for 2023-2025 and the years to come. Bitcoin money value forecast 2023-2030. Understanding what the world required, Bitcoin moved toward something very similar, and Bitcoin money entered the market in 2017. Bitcoin Cash, BCH, eclipses Bitcoin as far as exchange speed and speeds up the confirmations of your exchange. What is Bitcoin money, BCH? Bitcoin money, BCH, is a hard fork of Bitcoin that happened on August 1, 2017. After the coming, the organization compensated each Bitcoin holder with a measure of BCH. With only duplication in the first blockchain.com, it effectively focused on chain scaling and utility as a shared electronic money framework. Bitcoin money extends the size of blocks, empowering more exchanges to be handled. Essentially, BCH was made to conquer two significant difficulties looked by Bitcoin, specifically versatility and exchange charges. The forked cash is covered at $21 million, very much like Bitcoin. Thusly, the organization guarantees an incentive for each holder, putting down expansion rates to the base. The organization likewise makes reference to that BCH upholds token conventions, and with this, making token upheld projects would be direct. Bitcoin money value expectation 2023. The people group designers have been endeavoring to pull off the socks for the coin. Groups of AnyHedge and Electron Money, among others, are working towards making the organization more dependable and easy to understand. Assets refer to that the groups have recorded likely arrangements which incorporate installment gadgets and monetary subsidiaries controlled by shrewd agreements. In 2023, on the off chance that BCH holds the likelihood to ride the bull run, it is guessed that the altcoin's cost would be fixed at its possible high of around $162.48. In the event that it neglects to maintain, the altcoin would wind up exchanging at around $116.45 toward its yearly exchange's end. All things considered, a direct energy could allow the cost to settle at normal degrees of $139.58. BCH crypto value figure 2024. On the off chance that Bitcoin money figures out how to draw in a more extensive group, in the midst of the buzz around Bitcoin's splitting occasion, the cost of BCH could drive to its likely high of $216.58 toward the finish of 2024. In actuality, ebbing unmistakable quality followed by bad analysis could droop the value down to $147.25. Progressively, calculating in the bullish and negative focuses on the normal cost could find its base at $181.52. Bitcoin money value expectation 2025. Assuming the organization figures out how to satisfy something very similar, the Fates market can turn over towards the coin, assisting BCH's cost with striking $274.54. Alternately, the coin has been exceptionally unstable and could fend financial backers with FUD off. Likewise, a potential comparative market decline, with Elon Musk and others bantering over POW before long, could make the cost hit lower at $185.21 or beneath. Nonetheless, on the off chance that the everyday installments and exchanges over the organization could stay unaffected, with slight trading pressures, the BCH cost might move to $229.59. BCH coin cost 2026. As per our examiners, Bitcoin money crypto cost for the year 2026 could run between $250.68 to $387.79, and the typical cost of BCH could be around $321.42. Bitcoin money crypto value expectation 2027. As per our investigators, BCH cost for the year 2027 could go between $315.66 to $462.12, and the typical cost of Bitcoin money could be around $392.67. BCH crypto cost 2028. As per our investigators, Bitcoin money coin cost for the year 2028 could go between $400.81 to $591.68, and the typical BCH cost could be around $495.86. BCH value expectation 2029. As indicated by our experts, Bitcoin money crypto cost for the year 2029 could run between $612.12 to $887.54, and the typical cost of BCH could be around $725.15. Bitcoin money value expectation 2030. As indicated by our experts, BCH coin cost for the year 2030 could go between $720.63 to $1,162.77, and the typical cost of Bitcoin money could be around $952.93. Bitcoin money value forecast. As Bitcoin money develops to a far better purchaser cash, we can anticipate that the cost of BCH should take off to more prominent levels. All things considered, as per figured out Bitcoin money cost expectation, the coin's value expectation might strike a limit of $162.48 toward the finish of 2023. In the event that the bullish plans are uncovered to turn into a reality, nonetheless, the cost of BCH could ensnare into a downtrend once more, on the off chance that it succumbs to pessimism and FUD. This could lead the cost to its likely lower part of $116.45 toward the finish of 2023. All things considered, standard exchange tensions could settle the cost at $139.58. Crucial examination, however, intended to be separated from Bitcoin. BCH utilizes a comparable innovation and agreement instrument and works practically like BTC. The stage works with a distributed hub organization and at first began with ETA as a mining calculation. Following disparities in the framework, the ETA was altered, making mining simpler. The re-examined update likewise started to utilize the SegWit of Bitcoin, with which the information blockage on blocks was settled. In 2019, BCH banded together with FanDuel, a well-known dream sports administration, with the association permitting football fans to put aside installments utilizing BTC and BCH. The reception filled in folds, taking the build-up to hundreds of ventures, stages, and administrations on BCH, from DeFi and shrewd agreement arrangements like Dedican, AnyHedge, and Savvy BCH to designer instruments like Monetcash, Cashscripty, and Fullstack, among others. Bitcoin Cash has remained consistent with the commitment of being the world's best cash. BCH Memorable Market Opinions 2017-2021. Initially, when presented, BCH was exchanging at almost $250. The cost was persistently moving in the upswing, coming to $4,091, which has been the greatest cost. An accident in the market towards the year's end took the cost to $2,557. The year 2018 had